Hello friends, this is Hi5 China. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make Punugulu or Ponganalu. But before we go into the video, if you haven't already, please subscribe as I've already made many cooking related videos in our channel and I'll continue making more. Now let's go into the video. Here I've taken 1 kg of DOSA batter and into this I'm going to add 1 big onion cut into small pieces. 5 green chillies cut into small pieces like this. One teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt to your taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric. And 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Now mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Make sure the consistency of the batter is still like a dosa batter. Now into a Punugulu pan, add half a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, pour the batter that we made earlier. Turn them over. Make sure they're not fully cooked. If you turn them when they're fully cooked, they won't come round. The one side of them will come flat. So only the outside should be cooked. Now let the other side of them cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And turn them over. Now let these cook for 2 to 3 minutes until they're a nice golden brown color. After they're cooked, take them out and repeat the same thing with the rest of the batter. As you can see, they're very soft and the inside is also nicely cooked. Tasty and soft Punugulu or Ponganalu are ready. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.